The next area to work with is the assignment of materials to the surfaces of elements in design. Now, as you can imagine, MicroStation provides a wide selection of material types that can be assigned to elements as defined or edited to suit design requirements. And that's what we're doing in this next video series. Before we can do that, we need some elements to work with. And I'm going to ask you to draw what you see on the screen right now, which is a very simple table, a bowl, and a lamp with a shade. Quite easy to draw. And I've given you all the details in a file called tableexercise.pdf in your working files folder. It's only 2 pages, but it details the size of the table and the 4 elements that comprise the table. The bowl that you previously drew in the Module 5 videos, which you should still have available, and a lamp and a shade. The lamp is a rotated solid, again very simple to draw and very easy to make, and the shade is equally simple since it's just a cone surface. Assemble them all together and you finish up with the drawing that you see on the screen. Now these are all in simple plain colors with no materials attached at this point. Also, what I need you to do is to look at another PDF file. This one is called materialoptions.pdf, again in your working files folder. This contains definitions of materials. And I want you to look at this very carefully because we'll be working with pretty much all of these definitions with the material attachment tools. And you really need to know what you're talking about when we start to work with those tools. So please read this file very, very carefully. Now, a lot of the stuff, of course, you won't know exactly what it means until we start working with materials. And then it'll become very clear to you. So do those 2 things first. Draw the table and the assembly and read this file very carefully. And then I'll meet you in the next video and we'll start applying materials to the table and the bowl and the lamp.